Circles round me, yeah. Running circles round me, yeah. Alrighty, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, March 6th, 2024. I am getting the stream started pretty late in the day, but I did have something to do earlier. So now I'm finally home in front of the computer. I did take one trade, a positive $200 on the day. I took two trades today. I'm sorry. I won for two today. Positive $200 on the day, but no here to talk about that. I didn't even tweet out my trade, so I'm not going to talk about it here. However, I do have a short order here at 5104.75. We just had a massive impulsive move to the downside, so I'm looking to capitalize on that. But yeah, I'm looking to capitalize on that. We have a lot of buyers here right now, and they're stepping up to the plate. We had a nice, decent bottom tail on that last candle also. But if we break, I'm looking for us to break the overnight support at 50.80. So my target is 50.81 if I get in, and my stop would be 51.35. Again, that's about a 34-point stop, about a 30-point stop. So I'm risking $1,500 here, but again, I do think this is going to play out. So again, we have a short order at 5104.75. My target is going to be 50.81, and my stop is going to be 51.37. Again, we just watching, see if the bulls is going to buy this area up down here, or if it's going to break and we make new lows. So let's see what this market decides to do. This is going to be a tough trade, and I fully understand that. But I do think it may going to come at least near these overnight lows in this area. That's what I'm thinking. I may not get the 50.80 that I want, but I like the way volatility is picked up and increased. I mean, I wish this was to the downside, but it's not. It's to the upside, but I still like the way it's moving. So it's all good. I'm holding trade, and I'm just gonna continue to monitor and see how it play out. Alrighty, so I don't like that we just closed above the previous candle. So I'm going to bring my stop down to 58.18, just above this area of resistance right here. So if we break above there, I'll be out. It's looking like that's going to happen. But yeah, it was a decent trade, I would say. Looking to the volatility to the downside, that didn't happen. So now I'm just going to. This is the last area of resistance where I'm going to put my stop, and if it break that, I'll be out. But if it don't, those lower they break is still possible. So my stop is now moved down to 51.1875. Again, we're going to continue to monitor this trade and see if we hit 50.88. Running circles round me, yeah. Running circles round me, yeah. Alrighty. So it is 4:56. Market closed at 5 o'clock. I am out my position at 512.75. We lost $400 on that trade. And we are positive 216 on a day because of the long I caught earlier. Alrighty. So again, trade didn't work out. Didn't lose too much. We still ended the day positive. But look at this area, this 50-90 area to be broken during the overnight session. Alrighty, but again, I am out that trade. We lost $400 on that trade. We ended the day up plus 216. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Great trade.